Master Wayne, when do you presume to be back in? Because you had a stack of paperwork piling in your office for some time. You already know the answer to that, Alfred. Yes, of course, sir. Oh, but what shall I tell Mr. Cobblepot? He's been trying to set up a conference with Wayne Enterprise for the longest. Save it for when I get back in. You always say that, sir, and I always mean it. Cobblepot just wants to sell me stocks in his company because it's been a stinking ship ever since he invented that patient for that one inventor. Cannot remember his name for the life of me. Anyway, my main point is Cobblepot can wait. Indeed. What about your trusted and newly appointed chairman, Mr. Robertson? He said he needed to talk about something urgent. Charlie? Yeah, call him. We'll meet at 1 p.m. tomorrow. No, 1 a.m. tonight. Charlie's nocturnal, like me. Call him.
So we can't patrol tonight?
Oh no, we are. I'll meet up with you when I'm done with Charlie.
What? What?
You heard me. No telling how long I'll be. Just if you need backup, don't be afraid to call, okay?
Okay. Bruce? He must still be in his meeting. Alfred. Hey, is Bruce still at Wayne Enterprises with, Charlie, what's his name? Alfred! Hello. Huh. Weird. Where the heck did everyone go? Hey, did everyone go out for a... Oh. Well, hey, what's wrong?
I would have thought Master Wayne would have returned with you.
No, he didn't even meet with me. I thought he was still with Charlie.
No, he left from there over an hour ago and followed me by only once. He said he was going where heaven and earth met, and he would make it a point to hurry, and that he figured 10 times he would be there before dawn to meet his date with fate. I thought he was just being silly, but I'm worried. He's not answering his phone, and he's not with you. Come to think of it, he called me by my last name. He never does that. Not in his life. Oh no. He's in trouble, Master Jake. He is. And we're here not knowing where in God's name he is. What do we...
Alfred! Calm down. Okay, he gave us a riddle to follow. Whoa, wait, Alfred. Okay, he gave us 2 clues then. The fact that he addressed you by your family name and that he gave you a riddle, which is unlike him, meaning he's in trouble and that either he or his captors made him say the riddle, which is probably more likely since there's a ransom note hidden in said riddle.
What?
Well, think about it. He figures 10 times to meet his date with fate. 10 figures is what they want, or else he meets his fate at dawn. It's similar to a couple of unsolved GCPD cases about serial kidnappings in which weird messages or lullabies are written on a scrap of paper nearby the victim. Or the person said a riddle before they went missing. Police can make heads or tails of it. But if I'm right about this, then this guy isn't concerned with the ransom. He just likes boasting in his superior intellect by leaving behind critical details within seemingly meaningless riddles or statements that the victim may have written last.
It's worth a shot, even if we knew where he were to meet them, which we don't. How will that guarantee him up the way safe?
Well, it won't. But we do know when and where because you said that he said he would make it a point to get somewhere where heaven met earth. The point is where they connect, like the point of Gotham City's tallest building, Gotham Tower.
Brilliant, you're really good at this.
Yeah, the people at the orphanage love playing brain teasers like this before it burned down.
I'm so sorry. So, Tim, what's the game plan? Hello, I deciphered your ransom. Congratulations, Alfred. I gotta say, I did not expect an old butler to be smarter than an average detective. Who are you? Don't you recognize me? It is I, Charlie. Now transfer $10 billion into my account or Wayne goes splat. So he is here. Of course, right out there, dangling 100 feet from the cold, rough lips of the pavement. Well, I just told you, dumbass. He's not there. Not anymore. What? Where did he... Mayday! Bat is here. Get rid of him, or the Riddler will be mad. You're not going anywhere, Mr. Robertson. You think it's over? You're gonna regret it from my boss. He's watching. He always is. Nothing slips by him, not even 3 bumbling costume freaks. And then there's the other clown who's been given the crown of crime. Oh, you 3 won't stand a chance. You? Wait, no!
Oh my gosh, Nightwing, I am such a big fan. The name is Tim Drake, but you can call me Robin.